Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up a voice command for instantly playing your favorite playlist on your Android device. So let's get started. First, figure out which assistant will you use on your device. For example, you can use your already installed assistant or you can use a Google Assistant. For example, I have Bixby, and to activate it I can also just say, "Hi Bixby, play my favorite playlist in the Spotify."
Here's your Spotify playlist. Favorite playlist.
And now you know how to use voice command for instantly playing your favorite playlist on Android device. And if this video was helpful for you, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.